How to manage motion sensors on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage motion sensors on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here and go down and you will find this one here, and now go down until you find this one, site settings, and click on it. And here you will find this one, motion sensors. Just click on it and turn it off if you don't want it, and if you want to turn it on again, just one click, it's easy. And as you see, that's how to manage motion sensors on Google Chrome mobile. And don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.